how to order on the Swiggy app. Once you load up the app, you will need to put your address first. Once you have entered your address, you can choose the option to order food. You have the option Instamart, which lets you purchase groceries, and also you have the option of dine out and scenes. Let's say that we want to get some food. Click on the first option and then select the food product which you want to purchase. Let's select burgers here. From here, you can choose the restaurant which you want to order from. For example, let's do Burger King. You want to click on it, and this is going to load up the burger joint. So right here, you want to choose the product which you want to purchase. You can see the price here. You want to select add and then add item. And once you have added it to your cart, you will click on view cart here. It's going to take us to this page. I can close this. I'm going to close this pop-up as well. If you have any coupons, you can apply them here from this section. And then where would you like to deliver this order? You will add or select the location. And right here, you can turn on your device's GPS, but I'm going to do this for Jaipur railway station. And you can proceed and confirm. And once you have the details added here, I'm just going to go back because I will not place this order. You can choose the delivery type, and also you can add a tip. You have instructions if you want to add any additional instructions, and here's how much you will have to pay at the bottom. So once you fill out this information, you will click on proceed, and that is how you order on the Swiggy app. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.